Now this DIY spring balance comes together with my spring friction exploration set. So how to fix this one? Need to plan. So firstly, this one goes in first. Oh no, sorry, this one have to go in first. So this is the front with the scale here. Put this in, slant it so that it can go in, then you straighten it, right? Then after that, this one with the hook behind, push it in, pass through the hole of this marker, then go all the way in, right? Then after that, we have a spring here with hooks at both ends. So one will hook here, one will hook on top. So hook on this rod may take some time, right? Because we need to aim properly through the hole. And it is small. Push it in. Yes, now I've done this. Then after that, hook through the hole on top. Okay, done. So now the problem is calibration. Now can you see this marker is not at a 0 line? So you hold this, hold it down, pull it all the way up to 0. Yes, plus minus a little bit, then you get a 0 gram. Now how to use this? We can use this and investigate spring force, the amount of extension. So let me get a plastic bag that is light, poke a hole through here like this. Right, let me expand it. Okay, so this doesn't affect the weight too much. Then we add masses like that. So we add 1. Then we can see the amount of extension here. For this case, it's about 3.5 division. Then when you add another one, you'll see another 3.5 division extension. Then if you add another one, then you see another 3. Let me show you here. Right, that will be 3. Okay, again, let's pour them out. Plastic in. Oops. Plastic in. Right now this is 0 mark. 1. You can see the height change from here to here. 2. Now it's about 7 division down. And 3. Okay, so this one can also investigate the extension of spring versus the amount of weight loaded.